So here we are on the Serenade of the Seas. This is an inside room cabin. It's our first time ever in an inside room. So this is what you got. You've got a bed. You've got two little nightstands over here. A little TV. Sitting area. Mirror. And of course we've got a bathroom. So your standard size bathroom. I mean, most bathrooms in cruises are pretty small. You got your standard tubey shower, and, you know, sink. And of course we have a closet over here. Whoa!
Complete with a Joel.
His and hers closet. So when Joel misbehaves, this is where he's going. No, I'm just kidding. Plenty storage. We got the safe in there, cabinets, a little makeup area, and refrigerator. For this trip, we booked a inside cabin. We've never done an inside cabin before, and this is our 11th cruise, and we just wanted to see what it's like on an inside cabin, give you guys our experiences, so in case you're thinking about booking an inside cabin, because realistically it is the cheapest way to go on a cruise ship.
So my thoughts on the inside cabin, and just a quick plug, we're starting a blog here soon. We posting some articles. So one of the articles you'll see actually talks about the room, but I likened it to a cave or a cavern. It's it's dark. You have no idea what time of day it is. You don't know where you're at. You just wake up and you're like, is it time to eat?
Is it time to eat? I didn't mind the inside cabin as much as Joel did, but he is right. Like, there was a couple days I wasn't feeling well. We had like rough seas, and I wasn't feeling well, and so it was perfect for me for taking a nap. You could crawl in here as like a little cocoon. You do tend to not know what time it is, and they don't have alarm clocks in here, so we have our own on the iPad. But for two people, you know, I say you can fit fine. You don't spend all that much time in the room. But I don't know how people fit 3 or 4 inside cabin.
Yeah, it's pretty tight. You know, most cruise cabins are. We usually do balcony rooms, you know, and it's not because we got money. It's because I like the balcony.
Yeah.
It's nice to look at the ocean and stuff like that.
Yeah, it's nice to wake up and see where you are and port. And
yeah, the biggest thing for me is the sunlight. You know, the only notable light coming in the room is from the people in the door. And it's positioned perfectly over your head so that when you sit up, it melts your face. So keep that in mind. But I like to have the sunlight, you know, help wake me up in the morning. I think a window room, inside room, well, it's not inside, but with a window,
yeah,
I think is going to be the minimum, at least for me going forward.
We are going to do one more inside cabin, and that's on the Prima, the Norwegian Prima, in May. So yeah, we're going to share with you guys the room tour, and then at the end of this I'll post how much it cost for us to pretty much go on this vacation. So stay tuned for the other video. We'll have a ship tour video, and we'll give you our thoughts about the cruise.